Alright guys, in this video I'm going to be going over how I have my Webull Desktop set up for Options Turbo Trader. So it will look like something like this once we're finished. So first thing we're going to do, come over here and create a new blank layout. We're going to put in our chart, drag this to whatever size you'd like, connect this, set it to group 1. Then what we're going to do is turn on Turbo Trader right here, set this to group 1 as well. Then we are going to be going over to options. This is where we're going to see our options chain. We are going to put on orders and positions as well. Now what we're going to do is drag this over that so we can combine all these. And then the next thing we're going to do is go over to options here. Just click on a chain so we can get this order entry set up. We're going to drag this into here as well. So once you have those 6 things set up, we are going to just drag this to the right size. However you guys really want it to be set up, you can set it up. This is not how mine's set up. I'm just going to put it like this so we can see everything a lot better. Now we're going to go into our settings for the Turbo Trader. So what we're going to do is go in here, these top lines up top here, go to Turbo Trader settings. We're going to go to stocks. We're not going to be trading stocks with Turbo Trader, so you can turn off buy market, buy ask, sell market, sell bid, and close the stocks tab. Then for options, we are going to be having on buy market. You can turn off buy ask. You're going to have sell ask, sell market on. You can turn off sell bid. And then sell stop needs to be turned on. Now with the stop settings, this is the most important part. We're going to have this set to everything basic with 20% as our stop price right here. And we can go farther down. Only thing we're going to want to leave on down here is going to be quantity. So we can turn off order confirmation and sub orders. We can go a little bit farther down. We're going to turn off reverse and flatten, and we're going to leave on close, working orders, and positions. So those are all the settings for your Turbo Trader that you are going to need. So now once you have that set up, that is basically going to be it. So I'm going to show you guys now how it works a little bit. Let's just hop in here on IWM. So as you see, you have your chart right here. Personally, I use my TradingView charts, but you can also use Webull charts to do this. So what we're going to do now is I like to have this options chain with 10 strikes with both calls and puts, and I like to flip it right here to ascending strike price. So the higher the price, it'll be on the top side, lower it'll be on the low side. What we need to make sure is this on the left side here always says buy. So where this says buy right here. Now this is where we're going to look at our contracts. So let's say we are looking for IWM. Let's say we want to hop in calls here. We can be looking on here at IWM. We're going to come over to calls. This left side is going to be all of our calls in the money and then out of the money. Puts would be on the right side, out the money and then in the money. So right here, let's say we want to hop in 295 calls. We're going to come over here, click on the percentage change section. This is going to pull up the option chart for this contract. So once we have that, we can turn on quantity settings up top right here. We're just going to do 1 for example. Okay, there we go. So let's say I want to buy these 295 calls. It is going to be, the ask is 0.15, so they're going to be about $15 per contract. I'm just going to use a small $15 contract right now and just blatantly place it just to show you guys for example. Or actually, I'll just do this one right here. So once you want to buy this, you're going to be buying it. We hit buy market. Don't remind me again. And hit buy. Once we place this, we're going to hit sell stop immediately. This will give us a 20% stop loss. So then we can come down here, go to your positions. It'll show you guys what you're in. So currently, as you see, we are up 9% here. This is where my stop, this is where my fill is, this is where my stop is. It might actually stop me out already. But for example, let's say price did reverse here where we wanted it to go. We can drag the stop loss around as you see. So let's say we're in profit, we want to bring it up to break even. You can do that right there. If not, price will eventually stop us out for a negative 20%. This feature allows you to never lose more than 20% on a trade. So let's see what this plays. So let's say you are in profit and you want to sell this position. If we go right here on our positions to hit close and place our order, it's not going to let us place our order. What we have to do is go to orders today, and it'll show working here, we're gonna have to hit cancel on this. So this will take off our automatic stop loss, go back to positions, then you can hit close manually and hit place order. So that is the basics to it. Webull is a little bit harder with the interface, but once you get it figured out, it is amazing. So, all right guys, so that wraps up the video. Personally, this is how I have mine set up, because I have mine split screen on one of my computer monitors with Discord and Webull on the same screen. So we have a whole options chain here, our contact area, and then we place our orders.